what I've done. What's up guys, welcome to my first ever true and pure unboxing episode. And to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis, and since you're new here, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button down below. Okay, so I have a few things to unbox today. Now let's move it on the side. And let's start with the first, looks like a letter box. Okay, this is from Amazon. And let's see what's inside. I'm pretty sure I know what is it, but anyway. Oh yeah, that's right. 2 micro SD cards from Samsung, 64 gigabytes, and they are Evo Plus U3. So I'm gonna make sure that I can record 4K. Especially I wanna test in 4K 60 frames per second. And for my upcoming drone. Now let's move to the next. And the next box is also from Amazon. And this one is from Anker. Inside here we can find... Oh! This is the USB adapter that I ordered around 1 month ago. And something was wrong, I don't know what. I wrote the review about that. It's not the best, but it's not even the worst. Then I got email a few days after that it looks like that I got a damaged device, so they simply sent me the new one. The new one is a little bit different. On the first look, it looks the same, USB hub with 4 ports, but with addition for powering it with the USB cable. It's classic micro USB, and I can say charger. That's right. I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna report it in one of my next reviews. Okay, let's move on. Before I continue, I wanna say that I'm gonna put all of the links in the description below, so if you're gonna like any of the products, you can order them. Okay, now let's go on. Something that I ordered from GearBest, and that's the electric toothbrush sjcam. I think it's sjcam X3 or something like that. I had one electric toothbrush before I ordered this one, but I was not satisfied, and I heard many good reviews about this one. So I wanted to see if it's true what people said, and I'm gonna report you in one of the next reviews. Now let's unbox it. Okay, there we go. The box is pretty nice, it feels premium, and if we open it, ta-da! There it is. One big box and nothing else beside the electric toothbrush. Let's take it out. It feels like ceramic. I'm not sure what material it is. As I said, I'm gonna tell it in the full review. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 modes. Oh, it has even Bluetooth. As you can see here, we have special made app for this toothbrush. Interesting. Now let's see what's inside this box. On the one side is charger, so you simply put the toothbrush inside. What else do we have? User manual, which is in Chinese, and additional brush. So the next product is pretty interesting. It's actually sjcam CJ8 Pro action camera. This is one of the cheapest action cameras that record 4K in 60 frames per second. I got it for the pretty nice price, and I just said, Denis, go for it. Now let's see what's in the box. sjcam Pro action camera in its housing, and there is some more stuff. Whoa! waterproof case touch backdoor. This is for the back side, so you can use it as touch. Bracket, and so on and so on. So many accessories here. Not that you will need everything, but another accessory. User manual in more languages. English is one of them. Then we have one cloth. And on the other side, oh! What is this? This is like a lens cap to cover the lenses. And more accessories. So expect the full review of SJ8 Pro pretty soon. And let's move to the next product. Okay, the next product, a little bit bigger box, is actually from Denis warehouse. Bubble at play. This is actually the smart racket. What a beauty! What a beauty! The most important, interesting part is down here. Let me focus it. Yeah, that's right. You can see Bluetooth connection, power on and off, and few other buttons. Then I'm gonna test and explain you everything what's going on with this true smart racket. But for now, let's move to the next product. And the final product for today is from asus ZenBook Pro. I actually had live unboxing a few days ago on my Instagram account, so if you have seen it, you know how it looks like and how it works. I won't go in details today. I just wanna open it. Beside the laptop, we get some documentation, USB 3 to Ethernet charger, and as I mentioned before, the main part, Asus ZenBook Pro 2018 version with 8th generation i7 processor. There is also a version with i9 processor, but I got this one on the test. What's most special about this laptop is the second screen, or second display, we can say. So expect also for this laptop full review in few days. As far as I tested it since 2 days ago, this is one amazing, perfect laptop for video editors. I had no chance yet to test it for the gaming. I will test it also for the gaming, and expect the full review. Okay guys, that's it for today. Once again, if you're gonna like anything from the unboxing, I'm gonna put all of the links in the description below. If you enjoyed in this video, don't forget to press on the like button, and if you're not yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, stay in love. Peace!